Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can add the motion blur effect in CapCut PC. So for instance, just select your video you like to edit and go to effect, select video effect, select length, scroll down until you find the motion blur. Just click on add to the track, just for the duration is and length. And you can adjust for the option right here. So you can see the final pick. That's it. So super simple. That's how you can add the motion blur effect in CapCut PC. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. If you have any question, please type in the comment section down below. Thank you so much for